Technology is great when everything works. Unfortunately, that's not what brought you here today. Whether you're just getting set up or your existing network is having issues, I'm here to help. If you're new to Cisco Small Business, welcome. To get you started, you'll need a Cisco ID. Check out the link in the description for details on creating one. Once you have your Cisco ID, you can use it to access various Cisco resources. Click the Support Options link in the description for an overview of these. One support option is to get assistance from an engineer at a Cisco Technical Assistance Center, TAC. To get assistance from TAC, you need to create a case. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to create a TAC support case using your Cisco ID. Next. The personalized services that TAC engineers provide are limited to those that meet one of the following requirements. Either your device is covered under warranty, or you have at least one service contract associated with your Cisco account. If you're a homeowner or a small business owner trying to associate a contract to your account, please reach out to a Cisco sales representative or your account manager. If you need to purchase a Cisco SmartNet service contract, you can always reach out to a Cisco reseller or call Cisco TAC for additional information. To start the Cisco support case creation process, head over to www.cisco.com. Click the Login button at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your Cisco ID email address and password. At the top of the screen, select Support. Then select the Contact Support icon. This will bring up the Product Technical Support window. Click Open a new case. This directs you to the Support Case Manager page. If you need proxy user access, specify it. Proxy user access allows someone to create a support case on behalf of another user or team, facilitating collaboration and efficient issue resolution. I'll input my Cisco user ID and open a new support case by selecting the Proxy User button. Select Open New Case. A drop-down menu shows you broad categories. When you hover over them, some offer more specific options. I'll select Products and Services. Select the type of support you need and click Open Case. There are three types of requests: Diagnose and Fix, Request RMA, or Ask a Question. I'll choose Diagnose and Fix. Input the serial number of the affected device and press Search. The entitlement details of your device will show. Select a severity level. I'll select Moderate Impact. Add a title and description of the problem, along with any details that may be relevant. In my example, I added the current firmware version along with the description. Under Technology, you need to get specific so that the case gets to the proper team. A few options are shown. If none of these are what you need, click Manually Select a Technology. Scroll down until you find the right one. Click it. Some of the categories shown open to a list of specific models. Click yours, and then the Select button. In this example, I'll select SB, Cisco Business Series Switches, CBS, and then from the list of models that are under that technology, I'll choose CBS 350. Next, click Choose a Problem Area. Select the problem area from the list of options. I'll select Configuration Assistance. Press Select to continue. To finalize the process, check your preferred contact method, phone number, email address, additional email recipients, and preferred contact time. Once completed, click Submit. There you have it. Your Cisco support case has been created. Someone at TAC will contact you about your case. If you have any problems creating a case, you can call our Cisco TAC Frontline team. A link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.